त्रुदूम सप्तका खातीर पोरणे गोंयची बेसिलिका चर्च बिरेस्तार ते आयतार मेरेन 4 दीस पर्यटकां खातीर बंद आसतली अशें बेसिलिका चर्च रेक्टर फादर पेट्रिशियस फर्नांडीस हांणी कळयलां। बिरेस्तारा मॉन्डी थर्सडे निमतान सांजेच्या 5:30 वरां सावन प्रार्थना सभा सुरू जातल्यो। गुड फ्रायडे दिसा वे ऑफ क्रॉस तशेंच नोवेनां जातलीं। इस्टर संडे दिसा सकाळीं 7 आनी 8 वरांचेर कोंकणींतल्यान 9:15 आनी 12 वरांचेर इंग्लिशींतल्यान प्रार्थना जातल्यो। सध्या गोंयांत पर्यटन हंगाम सुरू आशिल्ल्यान व्हडा प्रमाणांत पर्यटक गोंयांत येतात। ज्या आमदाराक विरोधी पक्षाचेच फुडारी एकठांय आयिल्ले नाकात तो म्हजो भाजपा पक्षा कडेन लागींचो संबंद आशिल्ल्याचें उलोवन दाखयता अशें म्हणीत कार्लोसान वेंझीचेर फोग काडलो। कसलीच राजकीय फाटभूंय नासतना लेगीत लोकांनी म्हजेर विश्वास दाखोवन वेंचून हाडला। देखून अशा तरेचे आरोप खपोवन घेवचो ना आनी जर सरकारान विरोधी पक्षां कडल्यान सुचोवण्यो मागून घेवन त्यो मान्य केल्यो आसत जाल्यार विरोधी पक्ष फुडाऱ्यां खातीर तें जैत आसतलें अशेंय कार्लोसान ह्या वेळार म्हणलें।
I normally don't come to answer everybody's attack on one another or on me. But since a colleague of mine, Venzy has made such an outburst and they are trying to play it as if the Congress is bad and I have ganged up or tied up with the BJP, I thought it is most prudent that I should respond, even though there were some people who said, you don't bother, don't take it down to that level. But I thought I should not run away. I should face and I should respond and clarify and know what is the correct position. My standing as a lawyer for over 33 years is well known. The fact that I have also argued certain very important matters which have laid down law and also been published in journals across the country, upheld by the Supreme Court, is also known in the legal circles. The kind of respect I give to the courts and the courts give to me is also known. And I think that I carry that same kind of a decorum when I enter the assembly. I don't have a political background as a legislator. And therefore, I may be having a shortfall or a shortcoming to do things which many others would do. But I'm proud that what I do is for the good of the people and the good of Goa. People have faith in me, my voters trusted me, and they elected me to the House. If the Chief Minister asks for suggestions, if the government asks for suggestions from opposition, and the opposition gives the suggestions and the government accepts it, I think it should be recognized as a victory for the opposition. One should never think, I did not take it as my personal victory. According to me, it's a victory for the opposition. Sadly, I think that is being torn apart to try to show I'm in league with the government. If I want to do settings, I won't go to the minister's cabin like some do there. Probably when he does, he'll have to answer it in the lunch break and do some settings there. And come back, say one thing and do another thing. I won't do these things. But whoever does it will have to stand up and face the music when the time comes.